A conversation about a ticket.
Hello, tickets, please.
Oh, one moment, please.
Do you have a valid ticket?
No, sadly not.
So you boarded without a ticket?
Yes, I was unsure and thought I could buy it on the train.
Sadly, that is not possible.
Oh, I really didn't know that.
Where are you going?
I'm going only a few stops.
You need a ticket even for short trips.
Yes, I understand that now.
When did you board?
At the last station.
All right.
What happens now?
You must leave at the next stop.
And buy a ticket there?
Right, there's a machine there.
Can I pay with card there?
Yes, card or cash is possible.
And then I just take the next train?
Yes, the next train in the same direction.
Will I get a fine?
No, not today. But please buy a ticket next time first.
Yes, I will do that for sure.
The next stop is coming soon.
Good. Then I'll get off there.
Thank you for your understanding.
Thank you for the explanation. A conversation about a seat. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, the seat is free.
Thanks, I'll sit here.
Sure, no problem.
Is this a reserved seat?
No, you don't need a reservation.
Good, I wasn't sure.
That happens often on the train.
Is someone else coming for this seat?
No, please stay seated.
Really?
Yes, I'll just move next door.
That's very kind of you.
No problem. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, that helps me a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Thanks, you too. A talk with a fellow traveler. Do you ride this route often?
Yes, quite often. Mostly for work.
Oh, I see. Is your job far?
Not too far, but too far to commute daily.
So you stay overnight there?
Yes, usually 1 or 2 nights.
And today?
Today I ride to the last stop.
Where is that exactly?
In a small town on the river.
Sounds quiet.
It is. I like that.
Are you from there originally?
No, I'm only there for work.
Where are you from then?
From a large city in southern Germany.
Ah, I hear a little accent.
Yes, you can still hear it.
I come from the Midwest.
I can hear that a bit too.
Where do you go after work there?
Most times straight back.
So no vacation.
Sadly, no. Just normal life.
And what do you do there exactly?
I work in a small project team.
Sounds like much responsibility.
A bit. But it keeps me busy.
Do you like riding trains?
Yes, I can think or just look.
The scenery here is nice.
Yes, especially the fields and the river.
I also like to look outside.
Then the time passes faster.
Do you have heavy luggage?
No, only a backpack.
Handy.
Yes, I try to take little.
Will you stay more than a few days?
No, only until the day after tomorrow.
And then back again?
Right. Same route, different day.
I ride only a short way today.
Where exactly?
To my sister's place.
A visit?
Yes, we don't see each other often.
Then the ride is a small part of it?
Right. But a nice part.
I understand that well.
Do you speak often with people on the train?
Not really.
But today you do.
Yes, today it feels right.
True. It is calm here.
And no one is in a rush.
Then I wish you a good time there.
Thanks. Have a great visit.
Maybe we'll meet again on this route.
Possible. This train runs often.
Have a good ride on.
You too.
A conversation about a coffee. Hi, can I order a coffee?
Sure. Which coffee would you like?
What options do you have?
We have drip coffee and cappuccino.
Do you also have espresso?
Yes, we have that too.
Okay, I will take a cappuccino.
With milk or lactose-free?
With regular milk, please.
Do you want it strong or normal?
Normal is good.
All right.
Would you like sugar with it?
No, without sugar. Should I drink it here or take it out?
I'll drink it here.
No problem.
Is the coffee fresh?
Yes, I'm brewing it fresh now.
It already smells good.
Yes, the coffee is extra fresh today.
I'm happy to hear that.
Would you like a small snack?
No, just the coffee.
All right, it will take just a moment.
No rush, I have time.
Good.
Have you worked in this cafe car long?
About 1 year now.
Do you like the job?
Yes, mostly yes.
Is it very busy today?
It's okay. Now it is quite calm.
Earlier it was busier?
Yes, many people came in the morning.
I believe that.
Now many use the time to rest.
Then a coffee is just right.
Exactly. Stop a moment and relax.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Good.
Let me hold the reader for you.
There, done.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Here is your cappuccino.
Great, thank you.
Enjoy.
Thanks, I wish you a good day too.
Thank you.
A conversation about a delay. Excuse me, do you know about the delay?
Yes, the train is delayed now.
About how many minutes?
About 10 minutes.
Is that sure or can it get longer?
Right now it is only 10 minutes.
What is causing the delay?
There is a problem on the line.
A technical problem?
Yes, that is what they said.
Does this happen here often?
Sometimes, especially at this time.
So, more in the evening?
Yes, then the line is very busy.
Will we still arrive today?
Yes, we will arrive, just a bit later.
That is good to hear.
Yes, it is annoying, but not a big problem.
Is there a connecting train for me?
Yes, there is a connecting train.
Will the connection wait for this train?
Yes, it usually waits a short time.
Do I need to do anything?
No, you do not need to do anything.
Do I change trains or stay on this train?
You must change once.
Is the walk far?
No, just a short walk on the same platform.
Do I have to hurry?
A little, but do not run.
Good to know.
Just listen for the announcement.
Will the announcement come soon?
Yes, in a few minutes.
Will it also be done in English?
Usually yes, at least briefly.
That helps me a lot.
Good.
Should I stay seated or stand up?
Just stay seated.
Then I will wait here.
That is most relaxing.
That calms me.
I am glad.
Thanks for the information.
Sure, no problem.
I hope it does not take longer.
Yes, we all hope so.
Have a quiet evening.
You too.
A talk just before arrival. Excuse me, we will arrive soon, right?
Yes, in about 5 minutes.
Is this Union Station already?
No, that's the next stop.
Ah, good, then I still have time.
Yes, you can get ready slowly.
Do I need to get off right away?
Yes, please at the next station.
Do we arrive on track 7?
Yes, track 7 is correct.
Are there many people when we get off?
Yes, it will be a bit crowded.
Then I will stand up early.
That is a good idea.
Should I take my luggage now?
Yes, that is better.
Will there be an announcement soon?
Yes, it will play soon.
I always hear badly on the train.
Then watch the screen.
Thank you for the tip.
No problem.
I am a bit excited.
That is normal before arrival.
Then I am ready.
Have a good trip.
A conversation after getting off. So, we have arrived.
Yes, this is the right station.
There are many people here.
Yes, it is busy now.
Did I get off at the right stop?
Yes, this is the last stop.
Good, then I am relieved.
Do you have everything with you?
Yes, my purse and my backpack.
Very good.
Where is the exit?
Straight ahead and then left.
Do I have to take the stairs?
Yes, or the elevator there.
I prefer the stairs.
That is faster.
It is loud here.
Yes, stations are often loud.
I need a moment to get my bearings.
Take your time.
Thanks, that is kind.
No problem.
Now I know where I am.
I wish you a good day.
Thanks, you too. A talk about the way to downtown. Hi, can you help me for a moment?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the way to downtown.
Downtown is not far from here.
Can I walk from here?
Yes, walking is the easiest.
Which direction do I go first?
Go straight ahead to the big road.
Is that the road with many cars?
Yes, that's the one.
And what do I do there?
There you turn left.
Is there a traffic light there?
Yes, a big light at the intersection.
Will I wait long there?
Usually not. It changes fast.
Good to know.
After that, just keep going straight.
Will I pass a square?
Yes, you'll see a small plaza with benches.
That sounds nice.
There are often many people there.
Then I'm on the right path.
Exactly.
Is there a building I can look for?
Yes, on the right is a big old building.
Okay, I'll remember that.
After that, you'll see the first stores.
Then I'm almost there.
Yes, from there downtown begins.
How long will the walk take?
About 10 minutes at a normal pace.
That sounds good.
You really can't get lost.
That makes me feel better.
If unsure, just follow the crowd.
That's a good tip.
Most people walk the same way.
Thanks a lot for the directions.
No problem. Happy to help.
I'll head off now.
I wish you a great visit.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.